In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link in bio using Flodesk. This quick and efficient process shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes, and it's a great way to organize links for your social media followers to easily access. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Flodesk website, which you can find at www.flodesk.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to Flodesk, you'll need to create an account, which is straightforward and shouldn't take long. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start setting up your link in bio page. Now take a look at the dashboard and find the option that says plus new form. Click on this and you'll see a variety of form types you can create. Here you're going to select the link in bio form. It's tailored specifically for the purpose we're discussing today. Once you've selected that option, you'll click on Customize it to start personalizing your page. The next step involves choosing or creating a segment. In Flodesk, segments are essentially labels for your subscribers. In the context of a link in bio page, these will be the people who sign up or interact with your links. Selecting the right segment helps you keep track of your audience effectively. If you don't have any existing segments that fit, you can easily create a new one that suits your needs. Moving on to the fun part, customization. This is where you can let your creativity shine. When customizing your page, you have several elements at your disposal. Start by adding your logo to keep your branding consistent. Then think about the message you want to convey in your heading and description. These should be concise, yet engaging to capture your audience's attention. Flodesk allows you to use a link list to organize buttons specifically for your website, YouTube channel, TikTok account, and more. Additionally, you have the option to add social icons. If you want to capture emails directly from this page, you can include an optional email form as well. When you're happy with the design and content, it's time to publish your creation. Flodesk makes this seamless, allowing you to hit share. From there, you simply copy the link provided. Now the final touch, sharing your link. You will paste this link into your social media bios such as on Instagram or TikTok. This makes it so much easier for your followers to find all the important links you've curated for them all in one place. And that's it, you've set up a beautiful and functional link in bio page using Flodesk. By following these steps, you've not only made your social media profiles more cohesive, but also enhanced the accessibility of your content for your audience. Give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done, and enjoy watching your engagement grow as your followers start using your streamlined link in bio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.